The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. This is a local area emergency issued for New York City. At 8:46 a.m., a report was made about a commercial airliner that has crashed into the World Trade Center, located in Lower Manhattan. It is unknown if this was an accident. At this time, residents are being asked to stay away from the World Trade Center. If you are inside the World Trade Center, evacuate immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. At 9:03 a.m., a second commercial airliner crashed into the South Tower of the World Trade Center in Lower Manhattan. The FBI is confirming that the plane crashes into the World Trade Center towers are no accident. The FBI is calling this a terrorist attack. Continue to avoid the World Trade Center and tune into CNN for any updates on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Arlington County Police Department. At 9:37 a.m., a plane crashed into the Pentagon. This crash is believed to be related to the plane crashes that occurred at the World Trade Center towers in New York City, but it remains unknown. Residents are being asked to stay away from the Pentagon. Continue to monitor your local news station. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Somerset Police Department. A law enforcement warning has been issued for Shanksville, Pennsylvania. At 10:03 a.m., a report came in about a large plane that had crashed into the field in Shanksville. It is unknown if this crash is an accident, or if it is related to the attacks that took place at the World Trade Center and the Pentagon. The police department is asking all residents to stay indoors. Tune into your local news station on this dangerous situation.